Hello folks, here's a quick guide of how you can make a profile picture without downloading or installing any app by just directly going to lightxeditor.com. Visit www.lightxeditor.com and go to the editor tools. Click on the profile picture maker. Now I already have an image in mind for the profile picture, so I'll simply click on the upload image option and add the image from my device. Let's choose this one. Perfect. Now, upon successful upload, the tool will generate an AI cutout from your image. You can explore different template designs for the same, and you can choose your category according to your niche, varying from social, professional, classic, aesthetic, and so much more. Here I'm choosing the aesthetic type and clicking. This one looks good to me. Now, you have two options. You can either download this template as it is, or you can customize it according to your need. But I plan to customize it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the layers panel, and these are all the elements that are being used in this design. I'm going to choose my cutout layer and do a little bit of adjustments. Wait, let me just zoom out a little bit. You can reposition and scale your subject according to your need. You can edit the other elements as well by simply clicking on this layer. I will be choosing this leaf layer in order to make it go with my cutout. I'm going to move it under the cutout layer by clicking here. This is a totally personal preference. You can get fancy with the tools here. For one final touch, I'm going to change the look of the background by selecting its layer. As you can see, there are tons of options to choose from. I'll be using a gradient that I already had in mind. Perfect. Lastly, name the file and click on the Save button beside the file name. As soon as the Save button turns green, your file edits are saved. Now click on the download button at the top right corner and choose your desired format. Here I'm choosing the JPEG format, adjusting the resolution, which can also be done manually. Now click on download button and save your image on your device. Super easy and quick, isn't it? And that's how you can make a profile picture. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.